a taste of the sweet life. I miss the conversation.
Windows 7. Operating systems have been designed for a variety of mobile devices. The minimum requirements of the system to use Windows 7 in computers are processor of 32 bits or 64 bits to 1 GHz or more, memory RAM of 1 GB or memory RAM of 2 GB, available space in hard disk of 16 GB or 20 GB, graphical device DirectX 9 with controller WDDM 1.0 or upper. Desktop. It is the working area and it occupies the entire screen. Mouse pointer. It permits to select from one click and execute applications from 2 clicks. Icons. They are objects on the desktop. Taskbar. It is used to give access to many applications. It is composed by a start menu, direct access area, open applications area, and status area. Recycle bin. Icon that it is used as an electronic garbage container. Shortcuts. They are representative icons of an application. Files. Group of data or information identified with a name. Folder. Icon that contains one or many files and or folders. Left pane. It shows a list of the recently used programs by the user. Besides, it contains the options of all programs and search box. Right pane. It permits to access to the folders filed, options of configuration, besides the computer shutdown options. The jump list are lists of recent applications as files, folders, or web pages, organized by the program determined to open it. All programs shows a complete list of the programs installed in the computer. Right pane. The right pane of the start menu shows indispensable elements of Windows, like User, Documents, Images, Music, Computer, Control pane, Printers and faxes, Set program access and defaults, Help and support, Dialog boxes, Tasks pane. Arrow snap is a function that it is used to anchor a window to the left or the right side of the screen. It's a function that makes transparent all open windows in order to see the entire computer system. One of the basic and main tools in the world of the information and communication technology is the computer. The knowledge society requires its application in every area in which it operates, in industry, in medicine, in design, in commerce, in telecommunications, in video games, and in a series of activities indispensable in the daily work of the human being. Main elements. A computer system is composed by devices or physical components, called hardware. They interact through a set of established instructions. It is called software in order to reach an objective. Hardware is defined as a joint of components of physical devices that intervene in a computer system. They have input devices, are the ones from which the information is introduced to the computer to be processed. Keyboard, scanner, mouse. Output devices. They are the ones that show to the user the data previously transformed or processed. Some examples of them are printer, monitor, or speakers. Storage devices. They permit to store or to save information. The main memory. This memory acts directly with the CPU. It is composed by RAM. It is a program memory by the manufacturer and it is permanent memory. RAM. It's a memory that stores information that it is being executed in that moment. The secondary memory. It permits to save programs and data in a permanent way, like hard disks, CDs, or DVDs. The unit to measure the storage capacity is the byte. The devices that read and write data in a storage device are called storage units. Processing devices is the component in charge to transform data into information. This is the CPU. It is considered as the brain of the computer. The central process unit is housed in one single chip called microprocessor. The unit to measure the processing velocity is the hertz, and it is according to the type of microprocessor: Pentium, Centrino, Atom, AMD Athlon, Intel Core Duo, etc. Software. It is the set of instructions or programs that are introduced in a computer in order to carry out a process. System software. It administrates and controls the operation of the hardware, like Windows, OS X, Unix, Linux. Application software. It permits to execute a specific task from the user, like Word, Excel, AutoCAD, Photoshop, Corel. Operative system. The operative system is the most important program of a computer. It is defined as the program that permits the user to take control of the computer. Functions. Some of the main functions of the operative system are that it interprets and executes the instructions through the interface that provides to the user. It coordinates the processing of tasks. It serves as a connection to run the application software. The first program installed in the computer is the operative system through a process of installation and configuration. There are different operative systems installed in the computers. Some of them are Windows, OS X, and Linux. The operative system can be classified in the following form. Multi-user. It permits two or more users to execute programs at the same time. Multitask. It permits to execute two or more programs or applications at the same time. Multiprocessing. Means of multiprocessing that have more than one processor which operates in the same memory but executes simultaneously processes.
Hey, said a hustler's work is never through. We making it cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job.
Come on, baby, and drop it. Scrub the floor and just mop it. Show these gangsters how you pop lock it. Don't care what you got in your pocket. I beat the way that you rockin'. Flip that thing, girl, stop it. Wanna just bang, bang, and pop it. While the club crowd are just watching you work it out.